We've all heard about AI, right? But what if I told you that AI is more than just a buzzword? Yes, indeed, it's a fascinating realm where the lines between human intelligence and machine capabilities blur. Artificial intelligence, or AI as we often call it, is a riveting subject that has captured the world's attention and curiosity. It's like a jigsaw puzzle, complex yet captivating, and we're all trying to fit the pieces together. But what exactly is AI? Is it just about robots and computers, or does it have a broader spectrum? Is it a boon or is it a bane? And more importantly, how does it impact us, our lives, our jobs, our future? So many questions, right? But don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we're embarking on a journey to decode the enigma that is artificial intelligence. We'll navigate through its intricate labyrinth, exploring its origins, its evolution, and its implications. Buckle up. It's going to be a thrilling ride. The AI adventure began in the 1950s when brilliant minds like Alan Turing, John McCarthy, and Marvin Minsky dared to dream of machines that think. These pioneers saw beyond the constraints of their time, envisioning a world where machines could mimic human intelligence. Alan Turing, often called the father of modern computing, proposed a simple question: can machines think? This question became the foundation of AI. Turing's work led to the creation of the Turing test, a method of measuring a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to, or indistinguishable from, human intelligence. John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence in 1956, and he, along with Marvin Minsky, established the first AI laboratory at the Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Their pioneering work set the stage for the AI revolution, transforming science fiction into science reality. Their audacious ideas sparked a revolution that's still unfolding today. The dawn of AI was more than just the birth of a new technology. It marked the beginning of a new era in human history. Fast forward to the 21st century, AI isn't just science fiction, it's science reality. Artificial intelligence has stealthily woven itself into the fabric of our lives, and its influence is undeniable. It's no longer the stuff of sci-fi novels or futuristic movies. Instead, it's the silent powerhouse behind many of our daily routines, and it's becoming increasingly difficult to imagine a world without it. Take your Netflix binge sessions, for instance. Ever wondered how the streaming giant seems to know you better than you know yourself? That's AI. Through complex algorithms, it learns your viewing habits, preferences, and even your guilty pleasures, serving you recommendations that are eerily on point. And then there's the realm of self-driving cars. These autonomous vehicles equipped with advanced AI systems are not just a concept anymore. They are here, navigating our roads, reshaping our commutes, and revolutionizing the way we travel. AI is not just the future, it's the present. It's the future, and it's happening now. But why should you care about AI? Because it's changing the game. From revolutionizing the healthcare sector to predicting stock market trends, AI is the invisible hand that's shaping our world. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases with more precision and accuracy. It's enabling investors to make informed decisions by forecasting market movements. AI is not just a tool, it's an ally. It's making our lives easier, smarter, and more efficient. Imagine a world where you don't have to worry about traffic because AI-powered self-driving cars have optimized routes and reduced congestion. Picture a day when you can have a personalized shopping experience because AI understands your preferences better than you do. That's the magic of AI. It's not just about machines learning, it's about humans living better lives. And this is just the beginning. As the AI wave continues to rise, those who understand and adapt to it will ride it to new heights. It's the secret sauce behind the scenes. AI brings an avalanche of benefits, from supercharging healthcare to enhancing your shopping experience. It's like having a super smart friend who knows your preferences, anticipates your needs, and always has your back. But as with any superpower, it comes with great responsibility. The same AI that can predict a health crisis or customize your playlist can also raise some serious ethical questions. What happens to our data? Who controls the AI? And what about jobs? Will robots take over? These are not just hypothetical questions, they're real concerns that need addressing. But fear not, the key is responsible AI development. It's about using this powerful tool in a way that respects privacy, promotes transparency, and ensures fairness. It's about making sure that AI serves us, not the other way around. So while we marvel at the wonders of AI, let's also remember to navigate this brave new world with caution. Responsible AI development and ethical considerations are our guiding stars.